going to be making a pinch pot. So we're starting out with a ball, and you want to start out by rolling that in as smooth of a ball as possible. That's because when you open the pinch pot up, you don't want these cracks to show because they'll get bigger when we open it. Once you have a nice smooth ball, you take your thumb and you push it into the center of the ball. It's called a pinch pot because you pinch it while you turn it in a circle. Once you have it opened up, you can start to shape it. You can also take water or wet clay called slip and smooth it out. To finish your pot, you can also take a tool and add designs. And the most important part is to add your initials to the back. Your initials are the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name. So for example, my first name starts with a J and my last name starts with an F. And there I have my initials. It's ready to go and be fired.